Hi my friends, another video, another payment received today, this morning from M2MBITCOIN. Okay, as you can see, I received 0.002 BTC this morning. Okay, and let me show you on my Coinbase, of course, the proof of my earnings. Alright, 0.02 BTC today. Okay, so let me show you again on the website. Okay, M2MBITCOIN.net. Okay, if you want to register. Okay, but I will put the link in description below, of course. Where I am today, I am here. Okay, and roughly it's me 9th of July 002 BTC. Okay, so as you can see again, people are earning daily. Okay, lots of people are earning with this opportunity, so I really invite you to join us to earn. And how it works, it is very easy. As I repeat, you just have to donate 0.01 BTC and you can receive 2 donations on level 1. You can make money very easily in less than 20 days. You double your money, you can triple your money. Okay, the strategy is very easy. You purchase on stage 1, and when you receive your second payment, you upgrade, you create new accounts, and you can create a circle of wealth. And this strategy allows me to earn up to now 0.022 BTC, more than $135 in less than 35 days. So it is awesome. This strategy really works, and I create new accounts today to earn more. Okay, so stage 1 cost 0.01, you receive 2. Stage 2 costs 0.01, you receive 4, and you can upgrade and create a circle of wealth. And thousands of people are doing it, because as you can see, people are joining. You can see the last members. Alright, people are joining. We are VIP members, means people who have upgraded, who have paid 602 people, okay, since the launch. So if you are really motivated, contact me. I will put the link below of the website of M2M, and also put my Facebook profile, and you can message me. Okay, see you and bye bye.